Jai Hind, dear children. How are you all? Hope everything is fine. This is the second inning of academics. We are starting it again. So, we have to do wonderfully, right? Now, children, this is your computer book. Hope everyone knows. As we have done chapter 1 in this book, now we will be moving towards chapter 2. Chapter 2 is on page number 16. Page number 16. Chapter 2, uses of computers. As you can see, uses of a computer. Uses of computers. So, I'll tell you what are the uses of computer, how we are using the computer, why we are using the computer, in which way we can use, how technology is helping us. Right. So, I'll read the lines for you. Use of computers in different fields. Now in different fields computers are used, like teaching, like medical department, like schools, everywhere computers are used. You must have seen computers at many places, like they are used in almost every field, and it plays an important role in our life. Without computer we cannot survive. Without technology these days, so it is almost impossible that we can survive without the technology. This is technology only through which we teachers are reaching you people. So we actually have to work hard with the technology. We have to understand the technology and we have to work accordingly. Computers are used for what, doing these things, but where? At home. You must be having a computer at home. So why do we keep computer at home? What are the things why it is essential to keep computer at home? See, watching movies and listening to songs. If you want to watch movies, if you want to listen to songs, we keep computer at home and we can use that for that. Searching for any information. If I have given you a homework or you have any query in your mind, you want to search any topic, anything, so you can use different search stations. There are different search stations like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com. Google is very popular, best and very user friendly also. So you can use Google and these search engines and you can search whatever you want. Whatever information related to your studies you want, you can search. Even for your entertainment you can use Google. Like if you want to know about any cartoon movie, about any how to drive a car, how to cook a recipe, so everything you can search over there. Right. Searching for information on any topic. Playing games. If you want to play games, you all know that you can use computer. Doing homework. I have given you a homework and the task is little bit tough. You are not getting the answer. So with the help of Google, with the help of computer, you can search the answers. Right? Okay. Now in schools, why do we keep computer in school and what are the things through which computer is helping us? See, keeping records of the books in the school library. Children, you must have seen that there is a computer in our school library. Hope you all remember. So why computer is there in the library? Let me tell you. Because there are more than 20,000 books in our school library. Which book, which child has taken and how many books are still there in library? Which teacher has taken which book? So all these record, all these data, it is stored in the school computer, in the computer of the library. All this data is stored. So for keeping the records of the book, it is used in the school library. Helping teachers in teaching, making timetable and report cards. See, we are teaching through computer only. Through these technologies only we are reaching each other. So otherwise it was very difficult for you people to see us and for us to see you, to interact, to teach. Now learning has become so easy just because of computer, because of technology. So teachers, they get a lot of benefit from the computer. In teaching we make the timetable. There is a timetable which you people get, which is pasted at the back of the almanac, that is also generated through the computer. And your report cards, what you get at the end of the year during half yearly also, that is also generated through the computer only. So doing practical work in the lab, it is very important. We do a lot of practical work in computer in the lab. So in computer lab you must have seen there are so many systems, each for one for each child, and that we keep for doing the practical. So in school there are many places where you will see the computer. Helping to draw and color. You must have seen a computer in the art room also. You must have seen computer in the lab also. So why we keep this computer? You can draw and color also. If you want to get a printout, you can get from the art room also or from the computer lab also. Now Shops and offices. You must have seen computer in the shops and malls also, and in the offices also, for keeping records. How many things are there in the shop? How many I have sold? How many still I have to bring? So all these record it is stored in the computer. Typing and printing bills. See, whenever you go to market or to mall, you buy something, what you get? A printed bill. That bill you get with the help of the computer only. The data is fed in the computer and the bill is generated through the printer. Right? Sending and receiving messages in the offices. As I told, that email, through email we can send and receive messages with the help of computer. Any message can reach to the any corner of the world through the email. You can chat and message also. Right? In the banks, now it's very important. You must be thinking that we keep our money in the bank. We deposit our money in the bank. What is the use of computer in the bank? So many thousands of people, they keep their money in the bank. They fix their amount there. They deposit, they withdraw. So who will keep the record? One single person cannot remember all that. So we need to keep computer in the banks also, so that all the details are stored in that computer. That how many money you have kept and how many you have taken. Taking out money from the ATMs. Now ATM also work like computer only. Whatever information you feed, it works accordingly. Right? So now in the hospitals, these days hospitals are really working hard for the patients, those who are not well with this disease. So this computer must be there in the all the renowned hospitals for keeping the records of the patients. Like these days you must have heard that 8,000 patients each day are having the corona or they are suffering with. So these records are coming, these data are coming with the help of computer only. Now the doctors and all, they are feeding the information that how many patients are there in each day. So that is how we are getting the correct data that how many patients are there with this disease or any other diseases. Right? Preparing medical reports and x-ray. If you want an x-ray, any patient wants, so with the help of computer only he or she can get the x-ray. The medical reports doctor prepare with the help of computer only. Helping doctors to know more about diseases and their causes. If someone is having some severe disease, so doctors, they also surf and search to know better about the disease and to get perfect cure to the patient. So computer is very important in the field of medical also. All the doctors, they use the computer to know more about the diseases. They learn through books also, but these days computers are also helping people a lot. Now, railway stations and airports. Of course, at railway stations and airports for booking tickets, computer is very important for knowing how many passengers of what age are going where, to which destination, to which place, and how many are coming back to which place to where. So all these information are stored in the computer of the airports and railway stations. Keeping records of all the passengers, as I told you how many are going where and how many are coming, this all record is there in the computer of the railway stations and airports. Giving information about arrival and departure time, when this train will come, when this train will go, when the flight is there, the arrival and departure, everything we come to know through the computer only. Right? Now, space research and defense. Space research and defense. Now, how we come to know about the space research? Finding information about the space. If you want to know anything about the space, you know what is a space? Okay, let me tell you first. A space is a vast, boundless three-dimension region. It is so vast. It is having a blank space. And if you want to know anything about this space, about the stars, about the sun, whatever, so you can all search through the internet. So finding information about this space, you can use computer. Sending rockets into the space, you must be knowing about NASA and ISRO. They are the space centers. They send the rockets to the space. So when this rocket is going, at what speed, at what time it will come back, how it's going, so all the information people, this NASA center people, they used to search, surf and maintain through the computer only. It is generated, it is done, launched all through the computer only. Right? Helping military to make security weapons. Now military people, they are having a lot of help through the computer for making these security weapons. Okay, now space is the area beyond the limit of the atmosphere of the earth. Something beyond the limit of the atmosphere of the earth. If you want to know, then you can know through the internet only. Now, learning new skills. As I told you that if you want to know anything new which you have not done ever, like cooking something new, learning French or German, any other language, Persian, or like driving a car, how to ride a bike. Though don't do, you are too young to do that. But if you want to know how these things are operated, easily you can know through the computer, through the search stations, like as I told you, search engines. Okay, learning how to drive a car, fly an aeroplane. Wow, you can learn through the computer. Learning different languages, cooking, and much more. Let me tell you, many DIY activities also you learn through the computer only. Okay, now designing. Children, you must have seen you people wear different t-shirts with lots of different designs. You must have seen the bed sheets with different designs, curtains with different designs. So what are these? These designing clothes, cars, machines, building, etc. Everything is done through the computer. Whatever design you want, they can design with the help of computer. Designing and printing books, your computer book, your all the other subject books or any book, it is printed, it is designed through the computer only. Newspapers, magazines, comics, everything. Making cartoons and animated movies. You all like animated movies. Now you must be thinking how and who has created. People create through the with the help of computer only. Animation is done all through the computer, and it is a vast learning which anyone can learn. It is very interesting also, right? So making cartoons and animated movies. Now these are so many things I have told you that you can do with the help of computer. Let us quickly do a recap of it, and then we will move forward. Like at home we use computer, in schools, shops and offices, in banks, railway stations and airports, space research and defense, learn for learning new skills, and for designing clothes, cars, machines, buildings, etc. So these are the things which you can do with the help of computer. I am sure after knowing all these things you will surely fall in love with the computer, because technology has actually become life of the life. Now these days it is very important, we have to survive with the technology. Without that we cannot. So we should love computer, and we should salute to the technology and the people of technology, those who have done so much for us, so that we are reaching each other. But who has created this technology? At the end I will surely say man. So one quote, I will end the topic with this quote: computers are best machines, no doubt, but man is still the most extraordinary computer of all, because man has computer made everything, right? Hope you liked everything. Please read the chapter thoroughly. If you have any problem, you can contact me on my personal window through WhatsApp, and we will meet soon with the next topic in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.